Hello everyone, welcome to Planet Wellness. We're just showing you a photo of our bay leaf tree, which is, you can see that high up.
8 feet.
8 feet tall.
8 feet tall.
It's in more actually, slightly higher.
I said 10 feet.
Okay, so
Scan the width as well.
you can see it's quite wide. It's probably about what, 3 feet?
No, it'll be 4 feet.
feet?
4 feet.
Yeah.
4 feet
Okay.
wide. 4 feet
Look.
right around.
Look how the leaves are.
Healthy.
Yeah, very healthy.
Show them the old leaves.
Yeah, these are the older leaves.
See the
Can you
dark
see the
leaves?
darker ones, like these ones, harder? And these are the
Young ones.
like
These
young
are the
ones.
spring leaves.
The young ones, when you cook, you can actually eat them because it's quite soft,
Yeah,
like spinach.
exactly.
These ones are quite hard. You can't actually eat those. So, okay, over to you, Ronald.
Yes. Are you in for a treat today? I want to explain to you how I came across the bay leaf. I've been using bay leaves for many, many years. But in the past, wherever I've been, Australia, New Zealand, USA, wherever, I've had to buy dried bay leaves, right? And which I hated because I knew that the nutrition quality in a dried leaf is nowhere the same as a fresh leaf, right? So when I came here about 8 years ago, I asked Patrina, I said, where do you shop? She said, Tesco. So I went to Tesco and they were selling 5 leaves, dried leaves. They were selling 5 leaves for about 75 pence.
Yeah. Yep.
So we were selling. They were selling 5 leaves for 75 pence. So I hunted around for fresh bay leaf tree, and I found one, and it was 18 inches high, and it was selling for £40, and that was 8 years ago. £40. I calculated how many leaves I could get for £40, and I thought it'd be better off to buy it. And I didn't realise how tall the tree was going to be. So the tree turned out to be, now it's at 8 to 10, but 10 feet high.
We'll just show you again.
Yeah, 10 feet high. Can you see? They could keep going up.
This is now front garden, so
Yeah,
it's a
now
bit
front garden,
noisy.
yeah.
Got neighbours driving cars and
So
stuff.
that's 10 feet high, about 4 to 5 feet wide, right around. And that tree's now worth around £800, right? Now, equally important is, what does a bay leaf do for you? The bay leaf is amazingly good for respiratory disorders, digestive disorders, and for if you've got gas like flatulence, irritation of the bowel, irritation of skin, irritation of the scalp. You can use the bay leaf fresh for all of those. So every time we cook, which is at night, we'll cook a warm meal at night, we will always put 5 to 8 bay leaves in the food, right? Why? Because it is rich in calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. It's also rich in 26.3, for every 100 grams of bay leaves, you get 26.3 grams of fibre, which is vital for your colon, right? In addition to that, it helps to fight viruses, any type of infection, certainly respiratory, when you've got asthma, hay fever, colds and flu, that's what you use. You use bay leaves. Now, we strongly advise you to grow the bay leaf tree. You can buy one for about probably £30 these days, and then find a spot in the garden where it's sunny, and then you'll get it within a matter of 3 or 4 years. You'll get a very solid tree, and you'll have leaves for the rest of your life, right?
And it's evergreen as well. It's
Evergreen.
survived all the winters and summer times and springs in our season as well.
When you look at the bay leaf in its greenery, it makes you feel good because it's always green, even in cold winter, it's green, right? So it's phenomenally good, right? So to summarise how powerful it is a powerful effect of the immune system, antioxidant. Yeah. It's got a particular organelle called linalool. Linalool is actually a byproduct of thyme, basil, and bay leaves. So if you want a really good dish, you had thyme, basil, and bay leaf into your dish, and you'll have a fantastic dish. So you can make a hog-style soup, you can make some beef soup, lamb soup, fish soup, and if you eat bay leaves, it's also very strong against cancer. All right. So I would advise you to go and get yourself a small bay leaf, even if you put in a quarter of an oak tree or half an oak leaf, and you'll get great results. Okay.
So hi Lobe, great to see you here. We haven't forgotten about visiting yourself and your garden to help you out as well. So yes, do share this video with anyone who is interested to finding out more about the health benefits of bay leaves, and we will see you next time.
Okay.
Take care.
Take
Bye-bye.
care. Bye.